I don't want to do it because I don't want to like just drop kick your seat, bro.
Dude, if you do it, just land on the seat. Just like jump onto the seat, bro.
Yeah, I don't want to do it.
Oh shit. Well, point proven, you can jump over a Miata.
Stand on the corner.
Can you jump over a G35? No.
Fuck my shit up.
You're light.
I stood on the poor Miata. Thumbnail. So I guess edit turned somewhat vlog. So Benny, whenever he spun out. And cut. Fucked up his suspension a little bit. We think it's setting up a little higher than it used to. It's all here in the garage. What'd you do to your suspension, Benny?
Well, when I lowered it the first time, it sat a little bit low on the driver front. Whenever when I spun out, it feels like it dropped a little bit more. I raised it up, but it's still the same. But I think I blew a coil. I don't know if it has anything to do with what just happened, but it feels blunt. So if I get new coils.
Ooh, what's in that trunk, dude? Do I see a carbon fiber G35 deck lid?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh no, pop it, pop it.
Hang on, I can't lift it much.
Oh shit. Who's that for?
I guess we'll see.
So Jeffrey's still out here, just living the life, you know, drinking the Corona and working on shit in the garage. Sitting back down in the spot here. Let us know down in the comment section what you think of Jeffrey. Do you like Jeffrey? Do you hate Jeffrey? Do you want Jeffrey to burn?
That's the fucking... Damn, Jeffrey, you're stout, bro. That's Jeffrey for you. He's indestructible.
What are we doing with the ZX, man?
The brakes are still locked up.
Brakes are still locked?
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude. It started up first try.
Yeah, the exhaust was messed up before.
That's a cold start, right?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I haven't started this since last weekend.
Let's go listen to this thing start up. Live. There it is. Yep, she's alive. What are we gonna do with the ZX?
We are gonna lower the front end.
Today?
No, not today. That's what we're gonna do. And then I'm gonna hydro e-brake and maybe weld the diff.
We're gonna set Jeffrey on fire, yo.
We're gonna set Jeffrey on fire.
Hey, do it. Do it right here.
Those burning stuff there.
execution.
Brake cleaner.
Will he actually be flammable?
Yeah. Careful.
Should get his legs. He's gotta burn.
Don't use that much.
Alright. Everybody back up. You viewers wanted this.
Bye, Cody.
Bye, Jeffrey. Say hello to Satan for me.
Holy shit.
Oh, that's cool how it sparkles like that. See that? Look at it coming all the way up. It's crazy.
Rest in peace.
Okay, go save.
Saved his life.
Jeffrey has been sacrificed.
I don't know, what did these pistons come out of?
The Mazda 2.3.
Well, fuck it, they've probably been burnt before.
Oh, they were worse, dude. Look at them. I think we cleaned it. We burned it before.
We burned it, painted it,
And,
fired it
hang on.
again.
We burned it before, and these pistons are now clean. Like we burned the shit out of it, like we just did before.
But we set them on fire for like.
Okay, guys, so if you really need to clean your pistons, just take them out and set them on fire with brake cleaner. It works. We're going to go to Cody's house and put the diffuser that he's got for his G on.
Traded a pair of some Oakleys for a diffuser. Gang gang.
These are fucking weird. Like, what even?
If y'all can tell me why I don't have a card holder up here, I'd really appreciate that in the comments. Just drop some information on that.
Oh, I know why.
I figured for my license and like stuff like that, so when the cops pull you over for like a 6th or 7th time, they already have it just sitting right there waiting on you. Which one, bro? I got 91, 100% no ethanol, or 87 unleaded, 10% ethanol. I only got $2.
It's Clutch Cartel, guys. $2 worth of gas. I got $3 in my pocket. We'll make it 5, might as well. You already know it. The fans are still running because Clutch Cartel.
Hey, comment below on...
Excuse me, that Honda.
Comment below on what gas y'all run, because mine says premium unleaded only. I run premium only, but let's be honest, y'all. $3 is ridiculous for some gas.
The dope 6 Slam Civic.
And we beat the Miata.
And the Miata. Which I'm gonna hop up out of here and get a shot. So we're here at Cody's house.
What's up, guys? This is that diffuser we was talking about earlier. You know, just something.
It's kind of like an insert, really.
Yeah, it's splitter, diffuser, whatever you want to call it. It's cheap, it's eBay, it's hard plastic. But it actually makes your stock bumper look a whole lot better. We'll get the license plate off, we'll get the screws bolted in, and give you a before and after what it looked like.
Alright, so I think this is one of those like polyurethane pieces, you know, they sew, but they're supposed to like not break even if you wreck. But we're gonna throw it real quick and see if it does anything. Cody?
What's up, brother? Whoa, what?
Well, it's still intact. You gonna do it again?
Yeah, I'll do it this time.
Do it.
So if it does break, it's on me.
Yeah, it just flops.
Yeah, I think it's good. And the biggest concern I have though is the exhaust sits right here. But like, look, we've been hooning today in Mexico, and I can put my hand on it. It ain't gonna burn my hands. I don't think it's gonna burn this hard ass plastic. So we're just gonna try it, and if it does melt it, It's a HKS replica exhaust. Who cares?
Sorry guys, the camera was running out of time. I've got 4 vlogs total on this video, or on this camera right now. So it's kind of taking up a lot of space. I gotta get my shit together and finish these vlogs for you guys.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll leave it like that for now.
So it's on there, guys. Looks pretty good. Shut the truck, bro.
Hell yeah, it looks different now. It looks badass.
Let Cody know down below what you think of it.
Yeah, comment, like, subscribe.
So guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like. And if you don't leave a like, your car will probably explode.
Yes, it will.